जैक के अकॉर्डिंग आज 11th क्लास की इकोनॉमिक्स की परीक्षा संपन्न हो चुकी है। आज हम सब इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्व करके देखते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट ए करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ क्वेश्चन आयर। इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो क्वेश्चन आयर का करेक्टरिस्टिक नहीं है। ऑप्शन नंबर ए, क्वेश्चन आयर कैन बी लेंदी। क्वेश्चन आयर लेंदी नहीं होना चाहिए। नंबर 2, हु इज़ नोन एज द फादर ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक, गॉडफ्राइड ऑकिनवर्ड। Question number 3. Economics is the study of men in the context of ordinary business of life. This statement is of which economist? This statement is of Alfred Marshall. Next question number 4. Which of the following statement is true regarding the open-ended question? Regarding the open-ended question, it is difficult to score. Next question number 5. What is mean by range? Difference between maximum and minimum observation. Next is to classify Indian population into male and female on the basis of gender is the example of which type of classification? It is the example of qualitative. ये गुणात्मक आंकड़ों का उदाहरण है। Question number 7. What is the row heading in a table called? The row heading of a table is called stub. अवशेष कहते हैं सारिणी के शीर्षक को। Histogram are drawn for what type of variable? Histogram are drawn for continuous variable. सतत चर के लिए आयत चित्र का प्रयोग किया जाता है। What is the quotient obtained by dividing the sum of values of all observation by number of observation called? It is called arithmetic mean. Question number 10. In the calculation of which average, it is mandatory to arrange the data in increasing order. That is called median. Which of the following average divide the given data into 4 equal parts? That is quartile. चतुर्थक औसत दिए गए आंकड़ों को 4 बराबर भागों में विभाजित करता है। Number 12. Who collect and maintain population related data in India? Census of India. Census of India जनसंख्या से संबंधित आंकड़ों का संग्रह करता है। Number 13. What will be the median of 5, 8, 9, 4, 10, 7 and 6? Median is 4. Question number 13. What will be the median of 5, 8, 9, 4, 7, 10, 7 and 6? Median is 7. Next question. Question number 14. Coefficient of correlation is the numerical value of which type of correlation between two variables? That is called linear correlation. Option number B. 15. Who is credited with the development of rank correlation? Spearsman. Spearsman के correlation को rank correlation भी कहते हैं। Which of the following index number measure the average changes in retail price? That is consumer price index. 17. What is the index that emphasizes the relative importance of items called? That is called weighted index. 18. What is the primary sector of an economy related to? It is related to agriculture sector. In which year was Planning Commission formed? In 1950. 20. Which is the last 5-year plan of India? 12th 5-year plan सबसे last 5-year plan था। In which year was the new economic policy started in India? In 1991. What is the objective of disinvestment? To promote financial discipline. In which year was the World Trade Organization WTO established? In 1995. What is the main basis of livelihood for rural population? That is agriculture. Which of the following countries is the largest producer of cotton? India. In which year was Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Act passed? It is passed in 2005. Which of the following is not human capital? That is computer. Human development is both mean and end. Next is 29. Which of the following is responsible for transformation of India into knowledge-based economy? That is development of information and technology. Now last 30. In which year was Regional Rural Bank established? In 1975. The proportion of rural labor force is dash than that of urban labor force, that is more than 32. The employment of a person engaged in brick making work is called base labor. Which among the following is not conventional source of energy, that is solar energy? Which of the following is an indicator of determination of health, that is child mortality rate? 35. Why is organic manure considered as the most suitable for farming? It is chemical materials are not presented in it, so it is more suitable for farming. 36. When was SARC formed? On 8 December 1985. The Great Leap Forward campaign was operated in which country? It is operated in China. When was Central Pollution Control Board established? In 1974. What is Kutumsri? Kutumsri is poverty elimination program. तनवा प्रोग्राम इज ऑपरेटेड इन विच स्टेट? इट इज़ ऑपरेटेड इन तमिलनाडु. तो आप अपने इकोनॉमिक्स के आंसर्स को मैच कर लीजिए और मुझे कमेंट करके बताएंगे कि आपके कितने मार्क्स आने वाले हैं 11th इकोनॉमिक्स में. थैंक यू.